channel. In today's video I'm doing a quick review and a few swatches on an eyeshadow palette that I've been loving this week, and I've already posted some pictures and played around with it a few times and combined it and switched around the shades on my lid. It is one of the smallest palettes I've ever used, and it is the Wet n Wild Coloricon Eyeshadow Quad. They have 6 different color combinations, but I chose the shade Hooked on Vinyl, which is this bad boy here. I kind of gravitated towards this palette and selection because of the kind of neutral shades. We have a bone shade color here, a great transition shade, a great bronze kind of shimmer shade, and then a colorful kind of smoky shade that I was very drawn to. So I definitely had to pick this one out of the 6. Right now I have on my eyes the darkest shade here, but I have played around with it. I've used the bone shade on my lid. Also, I've used the bronze shade on my lid as well. And I've created different looks with this. I have a few on my Instagram. If you want to check that down below in the description box, go ahead and you will see a few looks I've created with this cute little palette. But it does retail for $2.99 for 4 shadows, and I can't complain about that. You get 0.16 ounces and $2.99. That's just insane. I will do a close-up on this eye look that I created, and then we're going to go ahead and go on to the swatches. So let's look at the close-up. What I do really love about this eyeshadow palette is it is beginner proof, and they actually have labels on and a description of where to place the eyeshadows if you want to create a look but you don't know what kind of look. So it has it on the back, and I think that's super helpful and super cool and really beginner makeup helpful. But let's go ahead and swatch it. Okay guys, so that was my video. My final verdict is I am obsessed with these little quads, especially this one in particular. The Hooked on Vinyl shades. I definitely can use this. I can travel with this. I love how I can create natural looks with it, or bold looks like that, or bold looks with it, like this that I have on right now. It's like a smoky but beautiful look, and it's definitely great for makeup beginners. I can't wait to try the other 5 eyeshadow quad selections. Maybe I will in the future. Comment down below if you want me to. But yeah, that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope this helped you out in any way that it could. For $2.99, this is a okay. For $2.99, this is a steal. And Wet n Wild has discounts, and they're available at Ulta, so they have discounts there sometimes. And it's probably going to be cheaper than $2.99. I don't know, but that is crazy because, I mean, look at the looks that I created on my Instagram. And this look, this looks crazy. This is like those City Mini palettes by Maybelline kind of quality. Like, I'm feeling it. They should make like 1,000 more. That's crazy. These are beautiful. These are an A+. But that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I will see you guys all next time in my next one. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be doing a giveaway soon, and stay tuned for that. I am rearranging my kind of YouTube room. I have a new room and location I'm going to be decorating. I'm super excited. So just be patient. I will be doing a giveaway soon, multiple giveaways and multiple reviews. But yeah, that was my video. Bye, guys. Okay guys, so for the bonus footage, we are creating a bronze eye by following the instructions on the back of the palette. We're using that transition shade to warm up my crease and just kind of put it all over the lid. It is a little bit powdery, but it blends so well, and I love the shade. You can warm up any of the looks you want with that shade. Then we're going to take that crease shade. It is a bluish kind of dark teal emerald shade, but when you blend it, it comes off as like a darker kind of grayish black shade, and that's cool. So I am taking little by little, just create some depth for the eye for this bronze look, and then taking that brow bone shade and lightly placing that everywhere. But I do want to say that it does have an ashy undertone, so I do like to go lightly with that shade. And then we're taking the bronzy shade all over the lid, and I'm just creating a soft kind of glam look, so I'm not going super crazy, just blending it out, kind of natural bronzy. And that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you liked this look, and hope it helped you out in any way that it could. And I will see you guys all next time in our next one. Bye guys!